Hello, friends. Hello, friends. Welcome. Welcome to the show. Today you got Bugcatcher Pete here with you today, and we're going to be opening up a Pokemon trading card game booster pack. This one's from the Pokemon Go set, and hopefully we get some good pulls. Before we get started, I just want to let you know that if you're enjoying my content, that you should like, comment, subscribe. It really helps out the channel. And yeah, here we go. Here we go. Alright. Pull this out. Okay. And we got a green and black. Oh man. So we'll do this trick. Okay. Oh, I got Spark. That's one. Nice. I'm not getting a whole lot of trainers most of the time, but ooh, got a Chansey. Okay, cool. Ooh, Steelix, nice. Nice. We got a okay, Wimpod. That's a bug. Hey, that's a bug. Turn tail Pokemon. I mean, whatever. I guess not really. Ooh, Pidove. Let's get a pigeon and a dove. Nice. Ooh, I kind of like that Magikarp. The art on that Magikarp. It's kind of cool looking. Oh, Meltan! I like Meltan. I think he looks cool, little guy. The way his eyes always like mischievous, you know? It's kind of cute. Yeah. That's pretty cool. Okay, so we got Meltan. Nice. Oh, we got the Eevee. Oh, the 3D Eevee. Oh, okay, so check it out. Oh man, I got a Charizard. Oh, I got Charizard. Ah, ah, that boy. I'm scared that it's kind of a little bit damaged though. I'm gonna have to look that up though. Burn brightly. Ooh, oh man. That's cool though. Reverse hollow. That cityscape. You Okay, so we got a hollow Pikachu. You see the hollow? Ooh, and he's got a hat. We got hat Pikachu. Hollow. Nice. And then we got the energy. Nice. Cool. Oh, hey, cool. Hey, so I want to thank you for joining me for this leg of my Pokemon journey. I appreciate you being here for it. And so, I got together with some friends of mine, and let's see, where's the glare on here? And I got you guys a little treat. So thank you very much for staying till the end of the video. This is for you. Okay, and I got some more. And this is just my way of saying thank you for anybody who makes it this far into the video. In addition, I want to go ahead and request that you like, comment, and subscribe, especially if you are enjoying this content. But yeah, with all of that being said and done, I'm gonna go ahead and bring this video to a close. I hope that you guys are having a really good day and that you continue to do so. Bye.